of enchantment. Come, little children, the time's come to play here in my garden of shadows. Follow, sweet children, I'll show thee the way through all the pain and the sorrows. Weep not, poor children, for life is this way, murdering beauty and passions. Hush now, dear children, it must be this way, to weary of life and deceptions. Rest now, my children, for soon we'll away into the calm and the Come, little children, I'll take thee away into a land of enchantment. Come, little children, the time's come to play here in my garden of
Hey guys, thanks for watching today. If you enjoyed this, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up below this video and subscribe so you're notified when I release more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments what other songs would you like to see an aerial yoga workout to. Finally, if you're interested in taking your aerial yoga practice to the next level, then check out the Aerial Yoga Life course. It's a 25-day program that helps beginners improve their strength and skills on the hammock at home. There's currently over 20 hours of content spanning 130 videos. So if you're interested in that, you can watch a free 45-minute training to get a sample of the content. The link is in the description below. Thank you again for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.